Hello good people, in today's video we're going to unbox the automatic water dispenser. When we open it, the first thing we have is the user manual. Shows how you're going to use it. Then we have the charger. It comes with a USB charger. This is the cable to fetch water from the water bottle. This is the one that is going to exit water from the dispenser. Here's the dispenser itself. It is rechargeable, as you can see, using the charger that is packed together, the USB charger. So you have to use your own header, the header of a normal charger. Just insert the pipe to the dispenser, as simple as you can see. You have to see the right side, so this is how it should be put. Then you drop the pipe into the water bottle. If you put power on, you should expect water. Thank you.